Here's my 16-inch Emerson Electric reversible window fan. I got this one over the weekend at a fan meet in Harrison, Arkansas. I have some videos about that, and it's pretty crazy, all the fans there. Most I've ever seen in one place, but this one is on the table, and I was gonna buy it last year, but then I forgot. And I got lucky that it was still there this year, and I actually got it for free, surprisingly. It was because the switch wasn't working, and I fixed the switch. Luckily I had another broken one of these from my pedestal fans that I have, and the part that I needed wasn't broken. Normally it is, so what I'm going to do, once I think tomorrow I'm going to go to the store and buy a inline switch, so that way I could use it, and save the lavalier switch, so that way, and I won't switch it as much, so that way it'll last longer. I'll stop rambling, and right now, just for demonstration purposes, I am going to use the switch normally, but yeah, so right now it is set to out, and it should be on high now. Here's the amp draw, and there's the watts on the high out, running 119 volts. It's rated for 2.5, so it's nice to have 1 amp off. It's better. I think that's like the maximum speed of 1. So now I'm going to switch it to low. On out. Pretty efficient on low. Draws that much in amps. There's the watts. There's the volts. On low out. The amount of wires this thing has is crazy. There's probably over 12 wires. 6 are coming out of the motor, and then I think there's an extra 6 or 7 or even 8 wires just for the reversible switch. If this wasn't reversible, then it would be so much less complicated, but it is. And I was gonna have somebody make a new diagram for a new toggle switch, but what I'm gonna do with this one, I got lucky though that I had an extra switch, and the part wasn't broken. It was even the same year switch, so I was going to have somebody make a new toggle switch diagram for me, but I had to make the whole diagram of how the fan was wired originally, and that was probably going to take me about an hour, and I didn't want to do that with all the ohm readings, so thank gosh I didn't have to do that. I won't be switching this toggle switch much at all. I'll even put like a sticker on the bottom saying don't use toggle switch, so that way anybody in the future won't mess it up again. This one, when I found it, the toggle or the part was completely destroyed. Probably should have kept it and made a 3D printed model of it, and then I could have more of them. But I'll do that once I get another one. So I'll switch it to off. I don't like it when sometimes I haven't gone through a whole click and it'll go back, because one time it got stuck when I was doing it and I freaked out. But luckily it still switches. So here it is on, pretty sure, in, and here it is on high. Here's the amp draw. Here's the watts on in on high, and there's the volts. Here's low. Here's the amp draw, there's the watts, and there's the volts. Hopefully this will fit in my window. This window goes up more than my other windows. I might permanently mount it in my window. It's this wide. Hopefully it's not as wide as this one, so that way I could screw it to the sides. The only reason I use this window is because it's on the first floor, and I don't have to worry about if the fan was to fall forward or backward. Most likely fall backward, just because most of the weight, but my window also, the springs on the side don't work, so the whole window just slams down if you don't hold it. So I have to wait till I get a new one. Normally with these, the windows back then in the 50s, this one's from 1954, they wouldn't have had that white strip on the bottom, so it would have been flat, and that's why it would have been better for them to mount like that. And I wouldn't have to use those wooden blocks. But our windows are newer. This house was built in the 60s, but they were newer windows. Get an outside view of this. It does have somebody put some They made a 20-inch version of this also, which I'm looking for. It's reversible, but this is the one I wanted the most because I could actually use it in my window. Okay, I'm going to show the outside view now. Here's the outside view. That spider. Kinda wish I shot this in the day, but got home from work, so I didn't have enough time. Normally it's gonna be up there. I do have another one just like it, but I'll have to measure the dimensions of this one, see if it'll fit in that window.